All glories to Amrita Dhanvantari. Today I'd like to share with you a little text written by a divine sister. The common denominator in what causes all disease is poisoning. If we get nectar, we remain healthy. Nectar for the soul, the mind, and the body. If we are blissfully engaged in the service of the Lord, then like Prahlad Maharaj, even poison will not affect us to feel or express any type of disease whatsoever. Like Haridas Thakur, who could not be killed because he was not diseased, with no disease forming, he simply could not be killed. We should know that we are only out of balance with our perfectly conducive environment here on earth when we disturb it ourselves. Fear is the root cause of all diseases, and Vaikuntha is the place of no diseases. We all have a pre-allotted number of breaths we can chant the Lord's sweet holy names with them, or argue about disease states that the materialists deliberately perpetuate to usurp the authority of the Lord. In these trying times, it is those whose understandings align with the Vedic conception of pure positivism, based on promoting the reality of the individual taking full personal responsibility for all of their own actions in life, rather than becoming dictated and forced into actions by governments, run by grossly offensive materialists. Those who are open-hearted enough to hear the truth on one level are virtually always at least favorable towards hearing something of the absolute truth. That is Shri Krishna, the non-dual, Supreme Personality of Godhead, and His devotees. All the symptoms, now known as COVID-19, are of poisoning. Poisons include man-made radiation of all sorts, sound pollution, cruelty that poisons the heart, and many other toxins and toxic substances, etc. Namaste Narasimhaya Praladaladaine Hiranyakashipurvaksha Shilatanka Nakalaye. May the Om Love be with you. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.